Hi, I want to make a short demo about plugin that we developed, as you see, for ILIAS that integrates the AI content generation in ILIAS LMS. And I think this can be really interesting for you and how you create contents. So first of all, Nolej is a French company which made this Nolej AI tool and asked us to develop the plugins for both ILIAS and Moodle. The ILIAS one is ready since a couple of weeks. How does it work? Mainly it's very simple. You start by adding a content in ILIAS, which can be a video, an audio file, a text, a PDF, and the AI analyzes and generates multiple assessments and interactive activities. But let's see how it works. Here I am in ILIAS. I have created just a category for you, and here in add new item I click to knowledge. Then let's try with this video one I took from your course we shared yesterday. So I can create it. Let's go to creation workflow, and here is where I can upload my file. This is where you find content limitations, but you can see many file type are accepted. Then if I go to media source, I can take a new URL or a file from a media pool or from my computer, or I can copy paste a text here. Let's go to file and select my file. This one is okay. I select the language of input. Knowledge accept analyze English content, but also French, Italian and German contents. Then let's go to create document. You see that the transcription is now in progress, and when finished, ILIAS shows me a pop-up saying that the transcription of the video finished. What is the transcription? Simply the AI the plugin first analyze the audio in your video and transcript all the text. From that text, you will have several objects, but also an interactive video. I'm gonna show you how it works when it just finished. The transcription has finished. You see that the pop-up came up, and this is the transcription of your video. Of course, it's interesting because you can really go and change your text if the AI somehow misunderstood, I don't know, some specific words or something. But for this demo, I'm not going to correct anything. And let's go to start analyzing. The analysis is ready, and you can see what are the results. So here there is a summary of your video and the key points that are important. Now I can confirm review. And also I can choose what are the H5P activities that I want to have. For example, high order questions, glossary, conceptual cards, assessment, find the word, and so on. There are many, as you can see. You can choose to disable them if you don't want to have in your final result. Then I can click to generate activities. Activities are now generated, so I can go to content in order to see what Knowledge has created. Content is loading, and you see all the activities that are here on the left. Let's start. So first of all, you can see that there is our original video, and on the video player there are several dots on the timeline. These dots are interactions for the users, and these, let's say dots but with the inner space empty, are questions. Let's see. Let's go to the first, okay, it's already arrived, to see the first interaction. You see that there is this plus, I can click, the video stops, and I can see, okay, we're talking about hepatitis C, but what is it? So I have a pop-up explaining me what is it. Let's go to see the question here, okay, in the middle. Testing your knowledge. I can click here and have a question. So you see that my video is not passive anymore, but is, interactive. Okay. In the questions that you'll see also later, you see that Nolej has created other options that are invented, of course. So the correct one is the one that understood from your video. Others are just imagined in order to have this test with several options. Then I have all the transcription here of your video. I can change the page. Here is a glossary with all the words that I need to understand for understanding the whole content. You see? Then I have these concept cards, so I can guess what chronic hepatitis C infection prevalence is. Then I can have my questions. There are many and in different ways. And this one, for example, is filling with the missing word, true or false, and you see there are many possibilities. I can drag the word also. I don't know which one is this, but by the way, I go try and check. You see, and I can see the solutions also in order to learn. These are flashcards, so questions that I can guess the answer. These are the key points of my video and the summary. Now you see that this is short actually because the video is short itself. But if you imagine to have a longer video, these really summarize a lot what I need to learn. And at the end I have a summary with the score and so on, how many interactions I made, how good I was. Now let's go and create another one with a second video. I go to Nolej and I say video 2, create. Let's go back to creation workflow and file from my computer, which is this bias. Languages, English is fine, and I can create my document. The document transcription is now in progress, and so your video is going to be transcribed now. Okay, the transcription finished, is ready, and I see the text here. So I can correct as I already said, otherwise I can start the analysis of this document. The analysis is ready now. I can see the summary and the key points. Also here I can change if I want to, otherwise I can confirm review. So I can decide which H5P activities I want to show to my end user. If I'm okay with those options, I can click to generate activities. activities are now generated. Let's go to content to see the result. Here is our video too. You can see there is again your video here, and there are interactions all the way. Okay.
Reasons. The Constitution.
What is Constitution? Then Constitution refers to something. Okay. Then there is the video transcription here, the glossary, what is bias, or what is emotion in this case. It's important to notice that all of the explanations here, for example here in the glossary, are not related to what AI can search online. Everything depends on the content that you uploaded, which means that your what you generated is absolutely secure, absolutely coherent with your input. Okay. Concept card, which is a bias again, that it's here. Quizzes with the missing word, with the true false, with multiple choices. Try again. Okay. Drugged words, flashcards. What's the purpose of this training? Is to raise awareness of bias and mitigate its effects. What are the key points that I do really need to remember? And the summary. Here is the dashboard of all my interactions and scores that I gained during the whole process. I really hope that this demo is clear, and if you want to go deeper and understand better if this can fit for you, just let me know. Have a great day.